Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix steam underscore API.dll file missing from your computer. So you just need to follow me. So at first you need to go to your browser and you have to open this website which is called dll-files.com, and after that on the search box you have to paste that DLL file name. In my case it is steam underscore API.dll. After that click on the search DLL file, or you can press enter from your keyboard. After that you will get a steam underscore API DLL file download link. If you are not able to find that link, then you have to simply just paste that name once again, and you have to remove that .dll from here, and after that click on search DLL file and you will get this same download link. So now what you have to do, you need to click on this download button, and after that here you will get a location, example location, where you need to paste that DLL file. As you can see, all the game list is showing over there. So now I'm going to download this DLL file. So after click on download, it will download one zip file on my computer. As you can see, also here is mentioned where I need to paste that DLL file, as you can see. So now what I have to do, I need to open that zip file on my computer and drag drop that DLL file on my desktop. Once it is done, copy that DLL file, go to your my computer and go to under C drive, then go under Windows folder, and here you will get two folder. One is system32 and another one is syswow64. So you have to paste that file under that folder. So I will paste it under system32 folder, and after that I will paste the same file under syswow64. Still, if it is not fix your problem, then if you are facing the issue for Steam games, then you have to right click on the Steam games, go to properties. Now here you will get a local files, go to under browse local files, and after that you have to find the DLL file where exactly your DLL file is saved. So go under one by one all the folders. So as you can see, under bin folder all the DLL files are saved. So you have to paste that DLL file under your exact DLL folder location. So after that it will fix your problem. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.